Hello, Riverside sixth graders. This is Mr. Galt, principal at Lincoln Junior High. Recently, I visited Riverside and went through choosing classes for the seventh grade. I gave you two packets of information. One, a purple one that had a description of the courses that you could choose from. And then I gave you a piece of paper that looked like what is on the screen, okay, your 2020-2021 seventh grade class selection form. You were to put your name on it, select your classes, and then turn that into Ms. Cobb. If you've not done that because we're on e-learning, you can still do so when we return to school. To go through that, you should have selected whether or not you're a PBL learner, yes or no. And then we are looking for a magic total of 32 credits. Okay, so that is the number that you need to get to. You will select your math classes with the help from your teacher as well. And then you go through here and circle each of the classes that you will take. There are required classes, if you remember, and then there are elective classes. But they should all add up to 32 credits. Okay, and then you should choose two alternatives. So you should have done that in anticipation of coming to school this week or handing that in on Friday, the 13th, the day that our first day out of school. So from there, you are going to log into your PowerSchool account. Once you've logged in, go over on your left-hand side and click on class registration here, okay, where the cursor is. Once you get there, you should see this page. Welcome to Lincoln Junior High class registration system for 2020-21. And this is where you are going to enter your selections for next year. If you are a traditional learner, you will do the traditional settings here, the traditional categories. This first one, 2020-2021 seventh grade traditional requirements, and 2020-2021 seventh grade traditional math. If you are a PBL learner, you will do the ones that say PBL requirements and PBL math. So I'm going to take you through the traditional route first. You will go to this first category and you will hit the pencil over here on the right side. Up pops your required classes for this year, or for next year. Seventh grade wellness, advisory class, digital applications and responsibility, language arts, seventh grade, science, seventh grade, and social studies, seventh grade. And notice that the required math is not here, it is a separate category. You will come over here and then hit submit. It says okay on my screen, but it'll be submit on yours. And then you can see your choices that you've selected here, the required classes. You have advisory, which is 4 credits. Language arts, which is 4, which equals 8. Digital applications, which is 2 credits, which now you're at 10. Science, 4 more, you're at 14. Social studies, you are at 4 more, which is 20, or actually 18, and then wellness, 2 more is 20. But now you have to choose your math class. So you come here to the pencil again, click on the pencil, and now you choose your math class. And I'm going to choose pre-algebra, okay, and hit on your screen submit, and then it puts the math class that you chose out here. So now I was at 20, I'm at 24 now. And remember that number that we're looking for is 32. So now I've done the required, I go down here to 7th grade electives. This category is the same for all students, whether you're a PBL or not. So then I'm going to choose some of my electives. Say that I play the trumpet in the band, so I'm going to choose intermediate band. I'm then going, that means I had 24, now I have 28. Okay, so I have 4 more to choose from. I'm going to choose STEM, medical detectives. And I am also going to, remember there are 2 pages here, okay? I'm going to choose Facts 1 and Facts 2. And I'm going to hit Submit, or again on mine, OK. So now I come down here to the bottom, it says requires 32 credit hours, requesting 32. I'm good to go because I reached that number of 32. But I'm not done yet because I have to choose some alternative electives. Okay, these are classes that I would be okay taking if I don't get some of my other electives. So I go here and up comes the elective categories again, and I'd say I'd be okay with taking art, and I'd also be okay with taking journalism. And then I'm going to hit submit on there. And now I have all of my courses entered here. Again, I requires 32, requesting 32. My 2 alternatives, art and journalism. Now, if I am a PBL learner, okay, we're going to go through here real quick here, and I'm going to take you through the PBL way to do things. Okay, I'm taking off my traditional requests here, and now I'm going to take you through the PBL. That is 2021 or 2021 7th grade PBL requirements. Here they are. I choose wellness. I choose advisory. I choose digital applications and responsibility. And here's the difference. I have humanities, which is a combination of social studies and language arts, and then I have science. I hit OK, and then I'm going to go to PBL math, and I'm going to choose my math class. And this time I'm going to choose 7th grade algebra. Okay, and now I have my courses. 4, okay, plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 2 more for wellness is 20. Then I got my 4 for math, that's 24. Again, I'm looking for 32. I've chosen these, okay, and this gets me to 32 with some electives. Okay, the only stipulation is if you are a math double block learner, instead of having, let's go through that real quick. I'm going to change this, okay, to a double block of math. That's the one that is 2 periods in length, and I have 8 now. Okay, so now you can see I am requesting too many. Okay, so I have to get rid of some of these here. I have to get rid of 4. So I'm going to say I'm going to get rid of band because it is worth 4. And now I have these 4 choices that I've taken plus my 2 alternatives, and I'm at 32. Okay, so that takes you through, and then you're going to hit at the bottom of your screen submit. Once you've got your alternative electives chosen and 32 required, 32 requested, you're going to hit submit, and then you can see your course requests come up. That takes us through selecting our classes for next year. I wish everyone luck. If you have any questions, you can call Lincoln Junior High when we are in school, and I will be able to answer any of those questions. I also want to encourage you to stay safe, get some exercise while we're out of school, and stay home. Thank you.